A 67-year-old businessman, Abia Vimbai, aurawa nedemo, makumbo ake achibva atemwa. Sharon Zama, uyo anga achidana nemufi, akatorerwa foni nemurume wake. Murume wake achibva aposa as her, trying to lure the lover. So murume uyu left his house at around 9 p.m. He told his wife that he was going to the shops, but instead went to visit his married lover. And upon arrival, he found his lover with her husband and the 2 fought, and the deceased was struck with an axe. So Vimbai has been bedding Sharon for some time. He would visit her at night anytime whenever Zama was away gold panning. Residents tipped Zama and he returned unexpectedly and took his wife's mobile phone. Ndobva anyora tsamba achizvita yechi mukadzi uyu, and then the lover decided to come. So it is alleged that makumbo ababa akachekwa akabviswa totally. So he was rushed to the clinic and pronounced dead upon arrival. The accused person was reported to have informed the crawlhead and disappeared. So uyu akabva amanya kundoudza sabhuku kuti aiwa ndine mhosva yangu yakadai, ndobva atiza hake. So mapurisa ari kuti chiregai kuramba muchiona zvinhu zvinenge vana Superman, because now you are turning to be vigilantes. And please allow the law enforcement to handle nyaya dzakadaro. Hatizivi hedu kuti mapurisa acho achizoita here basa racho, asi ndo nyaya yaitika nhasi kuTafira village under chief Mashaya Mombe.